कंटिन्यू द चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। इससे पहले वीडियो में हमने एक्सरसाइज 4.2 के क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट किए थे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसमें रूट्स फाइंड आउट करना था बाय फैक्टर मेथड। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 of exercise 4.2 word problem. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day, the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. And if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, then find the number of articles produced and their cost. So let the number of articles produced be X, and let and cost of each article be rupees Y. So number of article we have supposed X and the cost of each article we have supposed Y. So according to question, the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Cost of production of each article Y is 3 more than twice the number of articles, means 2x plus 3. Cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced, and the total cost of production was rupees 90. So total cost of production is found by multiplying the number of articles by cost of each article, means X into Y is 90. So put the value of Y in equation second. So X as it is, and the value of Y will be written 2x plus 3 equals to 90. Now remove the bracket. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equals to 0, and make its factor 9 into 2 180. Coefficient of x square is 2, constant term is 90, and its product is 180. We have to factors. We have to make two parts of 180. We have to split 180 into such a parts whose sum and difference should be 3 and whose product should be 180. So this will be 2x square plus 12x minus 12x plus 15x and minus 90 equals to 0. From first two terms, 2x is common, we get x minus 6, and from last two terms, 15 is common, we get x minus 6 equals to 0. Now x minus 6 is common, so we get 2x plus 15 equals to 0, x minus 6 equals to 0, and the value of x, number of articles produced, comes to be 6, and from here 2x plus 15 equals to 0, 2x equals to minus 15, and x equals to minus 15 by 2, which is not possible because number of articles never be negative or it never be in fraction. So put the value of x in first. So from first, y equals to 2 into x means 2 into 6 plus 3. So y equals to 15. So the cost of each article B rupees 50. And number of articles, B 6. The number of articles, we have suppose x equals to 6 and the cost is rupees 50. Question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If base is x, then altitude will be x minus 7. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then find other two sides. Find other two sides. So we suppose base. Let base of the right triangle be x. Then altitude is 7 centimeter less. Then altitude will be x minus 7. So this is right triangle in which we have supposed base x. So altitude means perpendicular. This will become x minus 7. And the hypotenuse is given 13. So we use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. This will be expanded on the form e minus e the whole square, x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square equals to 169, and 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 equals to 0. We get 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equals to 0. From these two terms, 2 is taken common. X square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0, and x square minus 7x minus 60 equals to 0. Its factor will be 12 and 5. X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 equals to 0. From first two terms, x is taken common. So we get x minus 12, and then 5 is taken common. X minus 12 equals to 0. And from these two terms, x minus 12 is common, so we get x plus 5 equals to 0, x minus 12 equals to 0, and x equals to 12. And from here, x equals to minus 5, which we can't take because side never be negative. So x comes to be, means base of triangle equals to BC equals to x equals to 12 centimeter, and altitude equals to AB equals to x minus 7 equals to 5 centimeter. So these are the two other sides, base and altitude. question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of which squares is 365. Sum of which squares is 365. So two consecutive positive integers should be taken, x and x plus 1. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive means लगातार. If we put x equals to 1, then other integer we get 2. If you put x equals to 2, other integer we get 3. And sum of which squares means x square plus x plus 1 the whole square equals to 365. So x square, this will be expanded on the formula a plus b the whole square, 365, and 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 equals to 0, and 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equals to 0. 2 is common. X square plus x minus 182 equals to 0, and x square plus x minus 182 equals to 0. We have to make its factor. So coefficient of x square is 1, constant term is 182, its product is 182. To make its factor, it goes by 2, 91, 7 into 30. 7 into 2, 14 and 30. So x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. From first two terms, x is taken common. We get x plus 14 minus 13 is common, x plus 14 equals to 0. Then from these two terms, x plus 14 is common. We get x minus 13 equals to 0. So x plus 14 equals to 0. It means x equals to minus 14, which can't be taken because we have given positive integer and this is negative integers. So x minus 13 equals to 0 and x equals to 13. So one integer is 13 and other is 13 plus 1, 14. So the answer we get 13 and 14, the two positive integers. See question number 3rd. Find two numbers whose sum is 27. Find two numbers whose sum is. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. And product is 182. So let two numbers be x and y. Let two numbers be x and y. And according to question, whose sum is 27 means x plus y equals to 27, and whose product x into y equals to 182. Eliminate the value of y from first we get y equals to 27 minus x, and from second put the value of y in equation second, so x into 27 minus x equals to 182. Do multiply 27x minus x square equals to 182. Both term will go on right side. X square minus 27x plus 182 equals to 0. Make the factor of 182, that is 14 and 13. 14 into 13, 182. So we write x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals to 0. From these two terms, x is taken common. We get x minus 14, and from these two terms minus 13 is common. So x minus 14 equals to 0. X minus 14 common, x minus 13 equals to 0. From here we get x minus 14 equals to 0, x equals to 14, and from here x minus 13 equals to 0, and we get x equals to 13. So when x equals to 14, then y equals to, from first, from third, when x equals to 14, then y equals to 27 minus 14, means y equals to 13. So when x equals to 14, y equals to 13, and when x equals to 13, y equals to 27 minus 13, and that is y equals to 14. So the two numbers we get is 13 and 14. Now we start another exercise 4.3, in which we have to find the root of the quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. Exercise 4.3, find the roots if exist by the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square. So first we have to find whether the roots exist or not. So for existence of root, रूट्स के एग्जिस्ट होने के लिए क्या कंडीशन है? सो ये है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. इफ b square minus 4ac discriminant is either 0 or it is greater than 0, then roots must be exist. So firstly we will find whether the roots exist or not. Let us see first question, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. So we firstly check whether the roots exist or not. So first we compare it by the standard quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a is 2, the value of b is minus 7, and the value of c is 3. We check the existence. So b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, 49 minus 24, which is 25, and this is greater than 0. So since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means its root exists. Now we have to solve, we have to find its root by completing the square method. So in all such questions, two formula we used: a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the another formula which we used, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If all the term containing in the question is positive, if all the terms are positive, then we use this formula, and if the term containing x is negative, the term containing x is negative, then we use the second formula. So here second formula we used because there is a term containing x is negative. But in the very beginning, we have to observe the coefficient of x square. In all such questions, the coefficient of x square must be 1. The coefficient of x square should be 1. If the coefficient of x square is not 1, either it is 2, 3, 4, then in the very beginning we take common. The coefficient of x square would be taken common to make its coefficient 1. So 2 is the coefficient of x square, so we take 2 as common. So we get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. This 2 goes below the 0 at the denominator place and becomes 0. So it remains x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Now put the constant term on the right side. कांस्टेंट टर्म को राइट साइड ले जाना है. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना है, एक्स स्क्वायर की कोफिशिएंट 1 होनी चाहिए. अगर एक्स स्क्वायर की कोफिशिएंट 1 नहीं है, कुछ भी है, तो हम कॉमन लेकर के उसे 0 बनाएंगे. देन जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है उसे राइट साइड ले जाएंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 7 बाई 2x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3. अब हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि x की कोफिशिएंट प्लस की है या माइनस की. सो ये माइनस की है, यानी सेकेंड वाले फॉर्मूले हमें यूज करने हैं. तो हमें ये फॉर्म बनाना है a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इज रिटन एक्स द होल स्क्वायर माइनस. अब हमें फॉर्मूले में 2 है तो 2 लगाएंगे, और a की प्लेस पे क्या है, तो हमने एक्स स्क्वायर लिखा है. a स्क्वायर की प्लेस पे एक्स स्क्वायर, यानी a की प्लेस पे x है, तो 2 के बाद a लिखना है, और a की प्लेस पे x है, तो 2 इंटू एक्स. अब हमें ये देखना है कि यहाँ पे क्या है, 7/2x, 7/2x. यहाँ भी 7/2 लाना है. तो 7/2x लाने के लिए यहाँ कौन सी डिजिट हम लिखेंगे कि सॉल्व करके 7/2 आ जाए. तो अगर हम 7/4 लिखते हैं तो 2 से 4 कैंसिल होगा, और 7 इंटू एक्स 7x/2 आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी गेट, यहाँ हमने b फाइंड आउट कर लिया, क्योंकि a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो गई. b की वैल्यू है 7/4. अब फॉर्मूले में क्या लिखना है, b का स्क्वायर, तो b का स्क्वायर लिख दीजिए. यानी 7/4 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू है, इक्वल टू लगाया, -3/2 है, -3/2 लिख दिया। अब ये देखिए कि इधर एक्स्ट्रा टर्म क्या हमने यूज किया है, x² चाहिए था हमें, आ चुका है। इसे सॉल्व करके 7/2x भी है, एक्स्ट्रा में हमने ऐड किया है 7/4 का होल स्क्वायर। तो जो चीज लेफ्ट साइड में एक्स्ट्रा में ऐड किया है उसे ही राइट साइड में भी हम एक्स्ट्रा में ऐड कर देंगे। सो इट बिकम्स +7/4 का होल स्क्वायर। जो चीज एक्स्ट्रा हमने लेफ्ट साइड में ऐड किया था वही चीज एक्स्ट्रा हमें राइट साइड में ऐड करना है। अब हमें इसे फॉर्मूला बना देना है, a² - 2ab + b²। This be written as a minus b the whole square -3/2 plus 7 the whole square 49 and 4 the whole square 16. Then x minus 7/4 the whole square equals to LCM 16, 8 to the 16, 8 into 3 24 plus 49. So x minus 7/4 the whole square, 49 minus 24, 25/16, which is also written as 5/4 the whole square. अब दोनों साइड से होल स्क्वायर को रिमूव करना है। रिमूव कैसे किया जाता है, तो दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर रूट लगा दिया जाएगा। दोनों तरफ स्क्वायर रूट लगाने से स्क्वायर गेट्स कैंसिल्ड। सो दोनों तरफ हमने स्क्वायर रूट लगा दिया और स्क्वायर को रिमूव कर दिया। तो जब भी स्क्वायर रिमूव होगा राइट साइड की जो वैल्यू आएगी प्लस माइनस में आएगी। मीन्स एक बार हमें +5/4 लेकर सॉल्व करना है और एक बार माइनस। सो x minus 7/4 was to +5/4. This implies x equals to 5/4 minus 7/4 goes on right side becomes plus LCM 4, 5 plus 7, 12/4 which is 3. So we get the value of x equals to 3. Then we take negative value -5/4. So x minus 7/4 equals to -5/4 and x equals to -7/4 goes on right side becomes plus -5/4. And this is 2/4 and it comes to be 1/4. So the value we get is x equals to 3 and 1/2. These are the roots of the equation. X minus 7/4 equals to -5/4, x equals to -7/4 goes on right side becomes positive, -5/4, 2/4 which is 1/2. So these are the two roots of the equation. Next question, 2x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Compare with the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a comes to be 2, the value of b is 1 and the value of c is -4. So firstly we have to check its existence. So for existence, b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. 1 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into -4. 1 the whole square 1 minus plus 32 plus 1 33 which is greater than 0. So its root exists. Now we have to solve. So 2 coefficient of x square is 2. So we will have to take the common 2. We get x square plus x by 2 minus 4/2 equals to 0. this 2 becomes 0. So x square plus x by 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to write down. Here the term containing x is positive. Constant term को right side ले लीजिए. So x square plus x by 2 equals to plus 2. Make the square form x the whole square plus 2 into a. a की प्लेस पे x, b की प्लेस पे क्या डाली जाए कि x by 2 बन जाए. तो 1 by 4 अगर डाल देते हैं b की प्लेस पे, so 2 से 4 कैंसिल होगा, 2 बच गया x by 2 प्लस b का स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 by 4 का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2. एक्स्ट्रा हमने क्या ऐड किया 1 plus 4 का होल स्क्वायर, इधर ही एक्स्ट्रा हमने ऐड कर दिया. सो दिस 3 becomes x plus 1 by 2 the x plus 1 by 4 the whole square, and this is 2 plus 1 by 16, LCM 16, 32 plus 1 which is 33 by 16, and x plus 1 by 4 the whole square. This may be written as root 33 by 4 the whole square. The square gets cancelled. X plus 1 by 4 equals to plus minus root 33 by 4, and x equals to minus 1 by 4. This will go on right side, becomes negative, plus minus root 33 by 4. Taking 4 as LCM, we get minus 1 plus minus root 33 by 4. So these are the two roots, minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4.